But now when you see the markets, I think all that recovery has also been given up. What are you picking up?
Yeah, I think when we saw the implied open, I think all of us were scared as to what will happen today in the markets, but it's not that bad. Of course, it's down by about 450 odd points, almost 1.8%, but at least not as bad as what the implied open was suggesting. But the benchmarks and the broader markets both continue to be under pressure for sure. With regards to where the overall market sentiment is looking like, and what are the triggers right now that we are looking at? Of course, the broader end of spectrum is equally bad as compared to where the benchmarks go. The mid cap 150 and the small cap 250. If we can quickly try to pull that up, the mid cap 150 is down by about 2 odd percent. The small cap 250 is also down by about 2.4 odd percent. The small cap 250 clearly under more pressure as compared to where the benchmarks go. In terms of where the sectors go, of course, just the Nifty defense slightly in the green, otherwise all sectors in the red, and that's the kind of sentiment that the market is seeing right now. But quickly, if you can try to pull up the market triggers right now, this is the heat map. As you can see, the defense also, of course, now has turned into the red, slightly trading flat as we speak for the Nifty defense. But auto losing the most ground, down by about 2.9 odd percent. Infra also down by about 2.7 odd percent. The small cap 250 down by about 2.4% as well. Quickly, the market triggers before I toss it back to Hiral. Defense right now is trading flat. Auto is kind of losing the most ground. Of course, with regards to where certain sectors go, because of crude trading now at $78 per barrel, up nearly 10% from its closing price. In the last trading session, OMCs, aviation, tires, shipping companies, all of these, baskets as a whole are under pressure. With regards to where the India VIX goes, that's almost up 17, now almost up almost 19.5%, and that is indicating high volatility in the markets going forward in trade today. Long-short ratio at that 18:82, indicating high selling pressure as well. So 82 short versus that of 18 long is what we're seeing right now. Rupee also trading at 91.24, so again has bounced back to those 91 levels. So this is the overall view as to what's happening in the markets right now, Hira.